What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Chino, and today we're in the Autogeek garage with a special guest, Mr. Doug Campbell from Superformance. How are you doing today, Mr. Doug?
All right, always a good time when you're here.
That's right. Thank you for being with us today. Now tell us, obviously we see this beauty in the back. Tell us more about it.
This is actually my wife's car. It's a Shelby Daytona Coupe, manufactured by Superformance. It was originally built in 2005, and it was my baby for quite a long time, almost 15 years. It was my track car, my almost daily driver. Put about 68,000 miles on it. And then in 2018, I wanted to build a GT40. Made a deal with my wife. If I got the GT40, she got the Daytona. Fast forward to 2019, they brought the show Overhauling back with Chip Foose and the whole A-team.
Nice.
And I submitted it online. They took it, and Chip just went nuts with it. So it's awesome because what I gave her was a beat up track car, and Chip and his team turned it into the beautiful thing you see here, all personalized for her.
Awesome. And obviously it didn't start off like this. What went into it?
Oh man, Chip put, I think, about 1,400 man hours of work, just body work. So
Wow.
he changed a lot of lines on the car. He flared the front and rear fenders. He Frenched in these scoops. There were some vents on top of the hood he eliminated. He added these, which look really cool with the little spear. He changed the shape of the opening in the front here for the radiator vent, changed the opening in the whole front of the car, added jag bumpers on the front to give it more of a street car vibe, changed the whole back end to put Camaro taillights on the back. I think it's 70 Camaro taillights and a 68 Camaro rear bumper he reshaped to fit on the back.
Okay.
Kind of his thing, since it's for my wife, a little bit of jewelry on the
Beautiful.
car. And changed the whole shape of the opening for the hatch, the shape of the wing. He lowered it, widened it, made these side scoops, which are really cool. In some of his behind the scenes, you can see him sitting on a stool with a leather bag and a hammer, hammering out these scoops by hand. The side glass had to be custom because he brought the roof line down to match the flow into the rear hatch. All a little attention to detail and stuff he does like that. And then Al's Garage did a full custom interior during the show. They put a new Roush 427 small block in it. MagnaFlow, of course, beautiful polished stainless exhaust, and the headers are amazing. He did like a 4-into-2 X-pipe back out, which is just sounds amazing.
Awesome. How much is she pulling?
566 horsepower,
Okay.
I think, and 545 foot-pounds of torque.
Nice.
Yeah.
And I see the 88 for the actual car, and I see that you
Yeah.
also have a t-shirt. What does the 88 represent?
88 is actually the chassis number of the car.
Okay.
8's a special number for my wife and I, and just so happened when I got the car, it was chassis number 88.
Huh.
So that just kind of works out for us. Then our wedding anniversary is on August 8th, and we actually got married at 8:08 p.m. So 8's kind of a cool thing for us. And Chip loved the car so much, he did these cool shirts with the 88 and Foose design and the rendering on the back.
Nice.
So so that's pretty cool. I always love wearing the shirt.
That's awesome. And you think Mr. Chip can help me out? I actually got an Astro van that I use for my mobile work. I'm trying to get a suit.
They're going to do a whole season of overhauling that's only vans.
There you go.
So I think you're in.
Awesome. I'm going to submit that.
I'll text them right now. Send me a
do
pic.
it. I'll do it. It's not all-wheel drive, but we can make it happen, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, we can do anything. Those guys, they got the talent.
That's awesome,
Yeah.
man. What we're going to help Mr. Doug do is we're going to go ahead and protect his vehicle. We're going to go ahead and work it, clean it for him, even though the beauty is
Her
absolutely...
vehicle. Don't call it mine. She'll smack me. She's Italian.
Oh, yeah, so they're feisty,
so
huh?
she's very clear now. This is her car.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so even more special care onto the vehicle. It looks absolutely spotless, ladies and gentlemen, even up close like this, but we're obviously gonna go ahead and take more detail into it. We're gonna go ahead and do the interior, protect it, wheels, tires, everything like that. Any more specific things that you're looking into doing?
No, just enhance the beauty.
There you go, even more than what it is already.
Yeah.
And he brought it to the right people here at Autogeek Garage, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Mr. Doug, so much for having us.
Thank you guys,
and trusting us with your
Appreciate it.
vehicle.
On behalf of my
course.
wife, thank you guys. She's very appreciative.
Thank you so much. Take care, you guys.